Here we are going to discuss about the multiplication of a vector by a scalar. Already we know in the sake of a vector the definition is a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction is known as a vector. Moreover, it satisfies the vector properties. The coming to the second one, that is known as a scalar. As we know, the definition of a scalar is a physical quantity which has only magnitude but no direction is known as a scalar. Now, how to multiply a vector by a scalar? Now we are going to discuss in this slide. Here we will choose one scalar and one vector. Say the scalar be m and the vector be a vector. Then we will take the product of these two, means the scalar and as well as the vector. And it can be written as MA vector. So MA vector, if you want to find the length, then that can be written as magnitude of MA vector is equals to magnitude of M into magnitude of A. Now, in this case, we are going to get three cases. One is M will be greater than 0. The second one is M is less than 0. And the third one is M is equals to 0. Now, in the very first case, if M is greater than 0, say M is positive, then MA vector is a vector of length M into magnitude of A, where M is a scalar while magnitude of A is also a physical quantity. And when you see the direction, MA vector will have the direction as that of the vector A. In which direction A is moving, in the same direction even MA vector is also moving. The second one is when M is less than 0, say M is negative. When M is negative, when we take the product between MA vector is a vector of length minus M into magnitude of A. Minus M is a scalar and magnitude of A is also a numerical value, and the direction of M into magnitude of A will be the direction exactly opposite to that of A vector. This means MA vector and the A vector will be opposite in their directions. And the third case is if M is equals to 0. So when M becomes 0, magnitude M into A vector, that is equals to 0 into A vector. 0 into A vector becomes it as 0. So in this case, MA vector, that is multiplication of a vector by a scalar, becomes 0.